So until now we have answered our two basic questions, that is how many unique tags are there in the corpus, that is 46, and which is the most frequent tag in the corpus, that is noun, because it is appearing uh, almost around 13,166 times. So we'll move on to the next question. Before moving to the next question, we have seen this, like currently we have 46 different tags, unique tags available in the corpus. To understand what each tag refers to and what does that mean, we can actually have a hand library or a handbook which is available within the NLTK. That is, we just have to run this function, that is nltk.help dot append underscore tag set. So when I run this, you will be just understanding like what is it about. We have to download another dependent library. I will just do that over here again. So this is one kind of a common error which we could see. If you just look on the error, you can just see that it is expecting a downloading of certain library. So you can just do that by running a command. So what I will do, I will just add a piece of code over here, nltk.download tagsets. Yeah, it is downloaded. Now we run this command again. Yeah, so clearly you could see there is a tag, and what does the tag refers to, and you can have a also look at the different words examples and what does that each tag refers to. So I will have a look of one of these tags, that is vb refers to verb base form, then vbd verb refers to the past tense, vbg verb represent the past participle or gerund, then vbn verb past participle. So you can have a each and every tag's meaning, and you can also have a look on meaning and usage of each word, so along with the examples as well. So this is very wonderful handbook which we can refer to when it comes to POS tagging of the corpus. So this is the command. So this is very handful command which we can use to understand the different meaning of different POS tags. So now we will move on to the next question, that is which tag is most commonly assigned to the two example words. So I have taken two different words, that is bank and executive. So now let's have a look on what is the most common tag which is tagged to this word bank. So let's have this look by uh, having this, like we have already list of tagged words, right? So we have a list of tagged words, the list which we have created before already. So I'm adding a if condition on that. So if the pair, so the tagged words or tagged words list consists of a tuples, right? So it will be a tuple consisting of a word and a POS tag associated with it. So now what I am trying to do, I am going to get the uh, most commonly or most frequently tagged POS tag for this word bank. So for that, if pair of 0, so the pair of 0 will extract only the word, and I'm going to convert that into lowercase. And if it is a bank, so if it is a bank, then now I am going to get the what is the tag associated with it. Okay, so let's have a look on that. Yeah, you could clearly see that I have extracted that word bank, and I am having a look on different tags that bank word is tagged with. So these many times this word bank is appearing, and every time this bank word is either tagged with nnp or nn. So these are the different two types of tag that bank word is tagged with. So let's have another look on another word, that is executive. So here you could also clearly see that, so most of the time this word executive is tagged with the word noun, and very few times it is also tagged with the word conjunction or adjective, what we can say, the jj refers to adjective. So now it's time to explore other parts of text corpus, like we'll have a better understanding as well. So now the next question would be, how many words within the tag VBG end with word ing. So what I am trying to do over here is, like, I am trying to explore the words, like words which are ending with the term ing should be tagged with the POS tag VBG, right? So because this VBG over here, so let's have a look on the handbook over here, just a second. Yeah, so let's have a look on that. So here VBG represent the verb present participle. So we have a set of examples over here. So it is telegraphing, stirring, focusing, and aging, judging, stunning, etc. So generally the verbs which end with ing should be tagged with the POS tag VBG. So that's what I am trying to see over here with this particular step. So I have taken this variable called participle verbs, and within this tagged words, if the like if the tag is VBG, then I'm getting out, I am picking out the tuple, that complete pair. Then what I am trying to do, if I am also checking whether that word which I have, like now I have segregated only the tuples which have VBG as a POS tag. Now I am also checking whether that VBG tagged POS word is also ending with ing. So that's what I am trying to do in this next step. Now what I am trying to do, I am getting to divide the numbers, right? So I will be getting a length or a certain list length over here. So and this will be having another list of a different length. So now I am trying to divide the lengths correspondingly. So I am going to divide the length of ing ending words with uh, like that VBG tagged words. So now I'm going to get the percentage of uh, how exactly, like how accurately each word, that is the verb ending with ing, is actually tagged with POS tag VBG. So let's have a look on that. Yeah, you could clearly see that we have a percentage of 99.72. So which indicates whenever the word or a verb ending with ing, the POS tagger or the corpus within the corpus, it is already tagged with the POS tag VBG. So by this we can have an understanding that we can have also have an example over here, or a uh, top words over here, that is publishing, it is ending with ing and it is already tagged with POS tag VBG. So we can have like cross check with other words as well, like including VBG, so waving VBG. So almost 99.72 percentage, like almost 100% of the words are actually perfectly tagged with the right tag. But is it true for all the words? Let's have a look on another POS tag as well. So I'm going to check the same steps, but with a different example. So how many words with the tag VBD are ending with the word ed? So what I'm trying to say over here. Now let's have a look again with the handbook here. So the VBD represents the verb and a past tense. So the examples for the POS tag VBD represent dipped, pleaded, swiped, resumed, soaked, etc. So generally a verb which ends with ed as a last ending word, so should be tagged with the POS tag VBD. So is that the case which is present within the corpus? So let's have a look on that as well. So I will run this and have a look. So you could clearly see over here that only 38% of the words or 38% of the verbs which end with ed are actually tagged with the uh, POS tag VBD. So clearly you could see that there is some discrepancy, or there is some inefficiency in the corpus already, right? So but this we are not going to actually alter the data set, or we are not going to manipulate the data set. We'll use it as it is. But for understanding purposes, we are just having a look on different tags and their tagging accuracies. So here you could see the reported word is tagged with VBD, stopped is tagged with VBD, led is tagged with VBD, etc. So you could clearly see that the verbs which actually end with ed are tagged with the POS tag VBD. Now we try to go a little bit deeper with next questions. For